Why do we need to understand what's happening here when we're so remote and so far away from everything? Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Heidi Silvestre of the expedition Under Antarctica. I'm here with Mathieu Sardor, the French explorer, crossing the entire continent of Antarctica. What we're doing here is trying to better understand how Antarctica is responding to climate change. And here we are in the beautiful and the massive East Antarctic ice sheet at about 3,600 meters of elevation. Our expedition is all about traveling with the wind. We're using ski kites to cross over 4,000 kilometers on the Antarctic ice sheet, and at the same time, we're collecting data because it's super important to collect data boots on the ground here in Antarctica. Actually, there are about 50 to 60 different research stations. And in the summer, which is now in the Southern Hemisphere, there are between 4,000 to 5,000 people who are either scientists, but also all the technical teams making sure that we can collect the best possible data. Antarctica contains a lot of ice. You can see what I'm walking on here. We are surrounded by snow and ice. And unfortunately, this continent is already responding to climate change. Antarctica is reacting twice as fast to climate change as the rest of the world. And if this continent were to lose its ice, it could increase sea levels globally by up to 58 meters. So this is why we need to take measurements here. This is why we need to make sure scientists continue collecting data here, because it helps us to better anticipate the changes that are happening to Antarctica and the ripple effects we will feel back home. So I'm so grateful for the Antarctic Treaty, so grateful that this continent has been preserved for peace and science, and we need to do everything we can to make sure Antarctica doesn't continue losing its ice as quickly as it does now.